This heat pump just went into defrost. There's some steam too. Oh yeah, look at that steam. This is somebody's house. This is a random neighbor's house. I'm gonna wait till it comes out. I heard the reversing valve switch and I was like, I am so lucky. I'm just taking a walk. And I decided to bring a camera and I am glad that I did. I am so lucky. There is a steam show. I'm not sure what brand it is. There's some steam. It's getting louder. I heard the reversing valve switch. Look at the steam. I'm going to wait until this thing comes out of defrost. Aww. Just shut off. It's too bad. Can feel the heat. Or maybe it'll turn back on. Maybe it's the kind that shuts off to come out of defrost. I'll wait for a minute, but I gotta go because I'm going someplace to take another air conditioner video. There's this gas meter running. No, I think it just met the thermostat. I'm not sure what brand it is. Oh, it's an even temp by Bryant, just like my across the street neighbors. Let me get the data real quick. Yeah, it was just in defrost. It's from 1995 and it's a 2.5 ton. Just like my across the street neighbors. That's sweet. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Too bad it shut off, but still, it was in defrost. Out.